Winter can be harsh on your roof, and even more brutal on your wallet when problems show up. Between holiday expenses and everyday bills, the last thing you want is an unexpected roof replacement in the Woodlands, Texas. But here's the reality. Waiting until spring often makes everything worse and more expensive. At Houston Roofing and Construction, we understand that roof problems don't care about your budget or timing. That's why we offer financing options that make essential roof work in the greater Houston area affordable when you need it the most. Our 0% interest programs are incredibly popular. You can get your roof fixed now and spread payments over 12 to 24 months without paying a penny in interest. Most approvals happen within 24 hours. For larger projects, we offer extended payment plans of up to 7 years. Yes, there's some interest, but you'll sleep better knowing your family is protected. Storm damage creates headaches with insurance claims. Our bridge financing covers your deductible and coverage gaps while insurance companies process claims. Here's the truth. A small leak in October can become thousands of dollars in structural damage by February. Winter weather doesn't wait, and neither should you. Don't let financial worries leave your family without a roof this winter. Contact Houston Roofing and Construction today to learn about our flexible financing options and get the roof replacement in the Woodlands, Texas your home deserves.